Soak 3 cups of glutinous rice for an hour, then rinse for 2 to 3 times. For the ingredients, pour in 1 can of coconut milk in a large pot. Add 1 cup of granulated sugar, add 1 teaspoon of salt, also add 2 tablespoons of fresh ginger juice. Then pour in the soaked glutinous rice, then mix. Cook on medium heat for 50 minutes to 1 hour. Meanwhile, prepare the caramel sauce. Add 1 cup of brown sugar. Then add 1/2 teaspoon of salt. And then add in 1 can of coconut milk. On medium heat, boil the mixture for about 20 to 30 minutes or until it becomes sticky. Prepare young banana leaves lightly heated over a fire in advance. When the cooked glutinous rice is cooled off, it is ready for wrapping. Put 2 to 3 tablespoons of the rice on the piece of banana leaf. Make a long and round shape. Then roll forward by starting from the side closest to you. Do it tight enough so that the water will not get through it. Then squeeze both ends and fold them. Use a strand of banana leaves to hold the folded sides. When done, put them all in a deep and large pot. Pour over the water up above the last layer. Put a plate over them so that they will not float while being cooked. Cook it for 50 to 16 minutes on medium heat. Take them out from the pot after cooking and rest to cool. You can peel it off like this, or peel its skin just like when you're eating a banana. Then drizzle the prepared caramel sauce over it. Also, you can garnish it with crushed roasted peanuts. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, comment or subscribe for more videos.